Well, Mr. Prime Minister, welcome to the White House. We were just talking very briefly that I spent a little time in Slovenia early on, and it's a beautiful, beautiful country. 20 years ago, when I was United States Senator, I pushed very hard for your country's admission to NATO, as you know. Because I knew then what I know now. We're stronger and a safer world when we stand together with good partners like you. We've seen it in support for the brave people of Ukraine as they defend themselves against Russia's brutal aggression. And we see it in our work to support democracy and prosperity across the Western Balkans. And we see it, and we saw it earlier this past summer, when we secured the release of 16 people, including 4 Americans unjustly held in Russia. And I want to thank you as a feat of diplomacy. I want to thank your country for your support and your leadership and partnership that made it possible. And that's not hyperbole. You made it possible. Thank you. We made it clear to anyone who questions whether our allies matter, well, they just look at what you did, and you matter a great deal. And so, Mr. Prime Minister, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and we look forward to our discussion today. The floor is yours.
Mr. President, dear Joe, just a couple of words, and that is that with a little help of true friends, nothing is impossible. And I think that's really what our joint effort with the prisoner swap demonstrated to all of the world. And let's continue to work in a true friendship and with a lot of trust.
Well, there's a lot we agree on. So welcome. Good to have you here.
Glad to be here.
Get moving. Thank you all.